can't get over how all of the grapes, the grape plants, are all in different rows on the sides of the mountains. Some go one direction, some go the other direction. It just find it kind of odd. You can see where the land kind of gave way, like a little slide on that one part. Oh, these are hills. Oh, just, There's another cute little town that we're sailing by that all have one thing in common, and that's a big church. As for all those grape plants, how do they take care of them on the edge of the hill like that? You know? I should think they'd fall down trying to take care of them. Look at this cute little town.
Has not been harmed, and also in those winters we still had ice floes. It would break the ice, so that was really smart. On the right hand side we have a column with Constantine the Great on top. He was of course having How did the Romans make their sports after sauna, massage and having a nap? Naked or not? What do you think?
Naked.
You vote for naked? Oh, that was the Greeks. The Greeks did it
Oh,
naked.
the Greeks did it.
But the Romans, they were not naked. They did their sports with bikinis and speedos. We know that because we have mosaics and it shows that they had done that with bikinis and speedos. So actually mosaics give us a lot of information, especially if you compare that to the medieval times. Oh my God, they had not even a clue about what was washing, and that is also why. And you know some of it by now already. So what we see ahead of us is of course
Da müsst ihr ein bisschen nachgeforscht werden, was da schiefgelaufen ist.
Aber weißt du, es ist besser auf den Berg zu fahren, die Leute sehen letztlich mehr, als wenn ich sie nur in die Stadt schleppe.
Ja, das stimmt. Ja, ich muss immer auf die Autos aufpassen.
So you have to put you now again to that bar. Get all stuff in there. First Roman city gate in entire Germany, maybe even in Europe. And you can clearly see that on the left side, that round-shaped building with the little columns is something that was added later on. That's not Roman. That was added on when they repurposed it into a church. So they moved the church into the second and the third floor, and then everything downstairs had been covered up with dirt.
You were a bastard, weren't you? The little man.
You'll have plenty of time to film.
This is a beautiful flower basket.
Wo bist du denn? Ah, aber siehst, ich habe eben hier mit Martin geredet. Die hat ja Glück gehabt.
Here's an interesting bridge that we went under earlier, because we've gone in as far as we can go on the Moselle River, haven't we? And now we're on our way back out, and we'll be rejoining the Rhine again. So you didn't see a whole bunch of footage for Trier. I tried to get as much as I could, but a lot of it was in the bus, so it's hard, you know. Here we go, under the bridge. Here we go. And that will do that. Here we are going back under that bridge. I've done a couple of times, but it's really pretty this time of the evening. It's an old Roman built bridge, I think. So we're coming back out the Moselle River to meet back up with the Rhine. Isn't that gorgeous? I could sit and look at this stuff all day. Here we come. And we are through it.